The Higgsinno Pool Robot ezSpirit 01 is an impressive upgrade for pool cleaning, offering a dual-layer filtration system that efficiently captures everything from large leaves to microscopic particles, ensuring your pool remains crystal clear. With an outstanding battery life of up to 4 hours, this cordless pool robot can clean pools up to 1,076 square feet without needing frequent recharges, making it ideal for continuous use. The convenience of smartphone control allows users to manage their pool cleaning routine from anywhere, simplifying maintenance whether you are at home or away. Thanks to its AI-powered navigation, the robot can autonomously plan its cleaning path and avoid obstacles, making it a reliable choice for hassle-free operation. Weighing just 12 pounds, the robot's compact and lightweight design allows for easy handling and storage, making it more convenient than many other options on the market. Higgsinno's dedicated US-based support team ensures that any customer issues are promptly addressed, providing peace of mind with professional after-sales service.